Alright guys, so something a little bit different with this video. Got a few little things to cover because I've not done that many videos over Christmas. So first off, with this one, if you don't know about it, this is the JF Exciton. So this is going to be an unboxing and first impressions of that. Also, if you're wondering what these three watches here are, these are what's going to be coming up in the next few reviews in the new year. And also, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to be talking about the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. So, as with all my videos, all the details for everything I'm going to be talking about are going to be down in the description, but let's get into this unboxing. So, if you're wondering what this number on here is, this is actually because this is a limited edition watch, and there are only 100 pieces, so I've got the final piece. Did actually want number 10, but it had already gone, so I went for 100. So, as you can see, we've got a standard kind of case that you get with Steel Dive, San Martin, Cronos. They all use the same kind of box, but they are good. Nice and sturdy and secure. Speaking of which, seeing as we're talking about brands, this is actually made by Cronos. So again, details for them will be down in the description. And also, this was made in collaboration with Gary from I Like Watches and one of his subscribers, James. He's got an Instagram page, again, down in the description. So he designed a watch, wanted Gary's help because he knew he had contacts with Cronos to get it made, and this is the resulting watch. They've only made 100 pieces, like I say. I've got number 100, but we'll get into that in a second. So let's see what we've got. Before we do that, if you're wondering what this watch is, this is the, I'm going to say Ruland again, Aquatimer homage, which I've already done a review of, so link for that will be up here if you want to check it out. But back to this one. Okay, so it's nicely wrapped up. Nothing else in the box. Oh, one other thing as well. I have actually got a certificate that's going to be coming for this, like an authenticity one, to prove that it is a legit one. But hopefully I'll have that by the time I do the review. But like I say, this is just a unboxing first impressions at the moment. So, no clutter or anything. Oh, let's take that one off as well. You're probably noticing straight away that this design on the back is pretty unique. I'll try and talk about that in a bit, although I probably won't understand it fully, to be honest. Okay, so here we go. Let's get a zoom in on that dial straight away. First impressions, this is looking really nice. Really liking that texture on the dial. And that bezel. That is looking really nice. The detailing on that. Really liking that. Nice sign crown as well, which is always good to see. Drilled lugs too. Everything appears to be lined up nicely. No obvious issues that I can see so far. So, I'll give it a quick wipe. So, this is what I was talking about with our case back design. Definitely unique, not seen anything like this before. So as you can see, we got some conversions here, because James apparently is actually a scientist, so he wanted something useful. Still find it a little bit odd that it's on the back of the watch, obviously, because you're going to have to take it off to be able to use it, but it's an interesting touch. And as you can also see at the bottom, we've got piece 100 of 100. So although this is only limited edition to like 100 pieces, as I say, and this is the last one, they are actually going to be making another version of this. It's going to cost a bit more than this one, because this one cost me, I think it was £200. But they're going to be doing one with a stainless steel bracelet instead, and possibly a couple of other little tweaks, because James is working on that at the moment. So if you are interested in that, I'll leave the email down in the description so you can find out more. But getting back to this, let's test out this bezel, see what the action's like. Ooh, that is nice. Rock solid as well, absolutely zero play on that. That is really nice. Lines up perfectly as well. Very impressed with that. Let's test out the crown. So we've got a screw down crown. Pop it out once. Change the date. Pop it again. As you can see, we've got hacking. That seems to be pretty nice. No obvious issues. So I'm not going to go into specs and everything on this, because like I say, this is just an unboxing. First impressions, just testing it out. So while we're zoomed in, as you can see, we've got that lovely Exciton in purple above the 6, along with the 200 meters, and then the JF logo at the top, just below the 12. And apparently that is James's initials. That is probably going to be changing for the new version. Don't know what the brand's going to be changing to, but something to be aware of. So quickly zoom back out and get a look at this strap. So as you can see, it's a pretty nice waffle style strap. Nice and supple. Should wear quite nicely. And then got an unsigned buckle. Would have expected that to be signed maybe, but not too big a deal. So pretty simple strap, but I think it suits the watch quite nicely. So overall, first impressions, it's looking pretty nice. So I'm looking forward to trying this one out properly, and then I'll come back with a full review. But for now, let's move on to the giveaway. So for the 4,000 subscriber giveaway, I'm going to be giving away this Corgeut Railmaster homage, but it's on a different strap. It's actually on the Strapsco Dasari branded canvas strap with the leather backing and quick release spring bars. So I just think it's a nice combination with this watch, to be honest, with the orange stitching going well with that orange on the dial. And this is a nice watch. If you haven't seen the review already, I'll leave a link to that up here so you can check that out. And also I'll leave a link for the strap review I did as well, if you want to see any more Strapsco straps, because I go over quite a few in that. But if you do want to win this, details will be down in the description as always, but I'll quickly go over them now. So it's pretty simple. You need to be subscribed to the channel, leave a comment, tell me you're interested, and then I'll use a random comment picker, and then we'll pick the winner. So pretty simple. So if I pop that there again, bring this back in. So like I say, if you're interested in more information on this one and the new version that will be coming out on the stainless steel bracelet, links down in the description. If you're interested in picking up this, again, links down in the description, details and everything. And like I say, these 3 watches will be coming up for review in the new year. But until then, hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.